morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. So today from standard 6 English medium, unit number 4. In this unit, it's a chapter. The chapter name is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla, and a poem is Beauty. The name of the poem is Beauty. So let's start the MCQs. Here given the passage and MCQs. Okay, see, this passage is about whom? An Indian woman, Florida, engineering, or Kalpana Chawla. So this chapter is all about the Kalpana Chawla. So the passage is about whom? The passage is about Kalpana Chawla. Okay, here given this passage. And after bachelor science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition, he studied. She later earned what? Her PhD in aerospace engineering. Who? Kalpana Chawla. So this passage is about whole. Not this passage, but this chapter is all about Kalpana Chawla. Okay, second, Kalpana Chawla went to America. Okay, went to America with her father's permission, against her father's wishes, to oppose her father, or to blast off from Florida. So the answer is B, against her father wishes. Okay, her father, see, great opposition from her father. So B is the correct. Kalpana Chawla was a professor who taught in America, an engineer who worked in a factory, an astronaut who went in space, a patriot who served India. So the answer is C, an astronaut who went in space. Kalpana Chawla was an astronaut. Now number 4. Kalpana, the astronaut who flew into space, was. So the answer is what? The first Indian American woman to do so. Okay, this C1 is the correct answer of the fourth. Okay, now comes to number 4. Launch means what? Start, fly, flow, or launch. So launch means to start. So option A is the correct. Now comes to here. Okay, here Kalpana was born in Karnal. Talk about Kalpana Chawla, and here the MCQs, 5 MCQs. See, Kalpana was a resident of whom? See here given, see, Haryana. So Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was naturalized US citizen. After married, he naturalized US citizen. So Kalpana was a resident of. She was born in Haryana, but after marriage she was shifted in where? US. So she has a citizenship in US. Okay, citizenship. So Kalpana was a resident of where? Answer C, US. Okay. Jean Pine was married to whom? Married to Kalpana Chawla. Okay, now comes to number 3. A naturalized US citizen is one who is born in that country, a foreigner born in India, an Indian American, or D, a foreigner who is given US citizenship. So a naturalized US citizen is one who, a foreigner who is given US citizen. D option. Number 4. A seaplane is what? A seaplane is an airplane. Seaplane means airplane. Both Kalpana and Jean Pierre were flight instructor. What? Flight instructor. Okay, here single engine See, also certified flight instructor. Okay, then next. The passage is about, here given the passage. So the passage is about whom? Passage is about the Kalpana Chawla. Also already I have said in the first MCQ when I started. She was never worried about. Who? She was never worried about her studies, her career, gender and birth, or money and career. So never worried about gender and birth. Number third, a different country refers to. Different country refers to who? India. Refers to India. According to the passage, according to this passage, everyone has what? According to this passage, everyone has dreams. Dreams. Just as the Kalpana Chawla have. Okay. The noun form of pursuing. So the noun form is pursuing, pursuit. B option is the correct. Then next, here given about Kalpana Chawla became an inspiration for. Inspiration for whom? Indian youth. Option C, Indian youth. Then comes to second, the remarkable achievement. The remarkable achievement of Kalpana was that, which achievement? She went into space. That was the achievement. Okay, taken by the Kalpana Chawla. Okay, Kalpana was born in. Kalpana was born in a small Indian town. Small Indian town. Okay. Number 4. From Colombia, Kalpana sent a message to. Message to whom? Message to her college in Chandigarh. Okay. From Colombia, Kalpana sent a message to her college in Chandigarh. The adjective form of inspiration. So adjective form of inspiration is noun. So adjective was inspiring. What? Inspiring. Then next, see. A space shuttle is. A space shuttle is what? A hovercraft, a spacecraft, a space station, or a rocket. So it's the second, a space craft. Okay, is the answer. Second, going to US for a master's degree was not liked. Liked by whom? She was opposition. Her opposition is who? Her father. So Kalpana's father. Kalpana earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. B, second one. Now comes to number 4. She was called an Indian American. Why? Because she is from India and married with a person from America. That is why Indian American. She went to the US. To get the master's degree. Okay, to join not NASA, first to get the master's degree. Number 6, she was selected at NASA. In 1994. In which year? In 1994 she was selected at NASA for training. Number 7, Kalpana had encyclopedic knowledge. Means what? Having knowledge of a wide variety of subject. This one, third one. Okay, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. That is the encyclopedic knowledge. Now the last one of this chapter, the period of her first mission in space was this: 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. This is the period of her mission in space. Now comes to the poem. The poem name is Beauty. Okay. So see, here given paraphrase means description. Okay. The passage has been taken from the poem. What is the poem name? Poem name is Beauty. Beauty is the answer. The poem has been composed by whom? So who has written it? So B. E. A. Sure. Number third, the passage describes the beauty which is seen during the day. During the day, which is seen during the day. Beauty is seen during the day. Number 4, the people described in the passage are found in where? Found in villages. Found in villages. Now, number 5, the noun form of grow. So, what is the noun form of grow? Growth. Option D. Then next, see, the passage describes the beauty of what? Beauty of here, beauty of the dark. The passage describes the beauty of the dark. The poet is thinking of the beauty of what? The poet is thinking of the beauty of the what? Beauty of the sound. The phrase wind shining. Wind shining means passing through the trees. Wind passing through the trees. That is the meaning of the wind shining. Number 4. The song's music is beautiful when the singer sings. When the singer sings with feelings. With feelings. The noun form of sign. Noun form is A. Side. B. Slide. C. Side. Or D. Shy. Option D is the correct answer. D. Shy. Then next, in this passage, beauty is seen. Beauty is seen where? Beauty is seen within. Where? Within. While resting, beauty can be seen in C option, in happy thought. Work can be beautiful if it is done in selfless manner. A option is the correct answer. Life can be truly beautiful if we always have happy thought. If we have always happy thoughts, our life can be beautiful. Truly, it was said. Okay. In this passage, the word work is what? Here given the word work. Where? Here the word is used, work, for where? Noun, verb, adjective or adverb. So the work is used as noun. Okay. Next. Here given the beauty. Beauty is what? Beauty is a thing of joy forever. A thing of joy forever. Option A. Human beings have created beauty through what? Beauty through their good deeds. Number 3, one feels happy to see the sun. One feels happy to see the sun in the month of the December. That is the correct answer. Number 4, beauty depends on whom? Beauty depends on the mind. Beauty depends on the mind. Number 5, the poets have been sighing of beauty where? Since olden times. Since olden times. Then next, beauty can be what? Beauty can be seen, heard and felt. We can see the beauty, heard also the word and felt it. Okay. Shelley said what? Heard melodies are sweet. Heard melodies are sweet. Okay friends. So these are the MCQs of this unit number 3. I hope you understand it. Thank you.